here. We thank God for the kind of governor that we have. Why didn't you people have this thing in the past 8 years? You know, last time I came to this station for interview, I was sweating. You know, even ordinary AC you don't have. You know, so, but I thank God, I was not commissioner then, no. But I thank God that today we are contributing to ensuring that all those kind of decay is being looked at and then resolved to see that our people benefit. This is one of our legacies. This is our monument. When we were little, when I was not as old as I am now, with white hairs, that time my hairs were still black, if I had. You know, we used to hear Radio Rivers 2, FM stereo.
They will really say 99.128 megahertz.
My palm sec is around. You know, so now it's no longer like that. You know, so we thank God for the kind of governor we have, who want to rebrand Rivers State. He has come to remove us from the dictatorship kind of leadership that we had in the past, and then bring Rivers State to its pride of place, where we should be proud. I should be proud that I have a radio station. Radio Rivers, that's what it's called. Radio Rivers. It's not Rhythm FM. It's not Wazobia. This one is Radio Rivers. So every Rivers man, when you are hearing it, you will be proud that this one is your own. And that is what the governor is trying to launch back. And I pray you people too that are going to use it. You should use it well. Yeah, last time here, when I came for that interview, some of your people were telling me the former, before now, history has it that there was one manager here that built certain structures here. Yeah? But those practices no longer there. Managers don't care about this. In fact, you allow the whole equipment to get rotten. No maintenance, no improvement. Because there are little things that you too can do here to better the place. And so that the bigger one, like this one is big now, you have told the governor, the listening governor has listened to you, and he has approved, and we are now implementing those approvals. In less than how many weeks?
2 weeks.
2 weeks time, this thing will be connected to you, and you will start to use it. So I charge you all to, thank God this place is an enclosed area. Nobody will come here to vandalize. You know, so try and maintain the little that we are providing, and then those ones you too can do, because it's for your own enjoyment. If you put AC here, not everybody going now for your office now, you go enjoy them too. You know, so those little ones that you can do, also do, because this thing is our pride, and we must use two hands to hold it and protect it. So I want to thank you for the identifying first. One of my lecturers told me that when you identify your problem, you have solved 50% of it. So identifying that this thing needs to be done, raising it, and sending it to the governor, and governor asking us to come and do our investigation. We did, sent it back. He approved all that we told him, and we are coming here to install for you, without you spending any naira or even wasting your energy on anything. In 2 weeks' time, you will see the light here from band A, and it's going to be steady. We are running a roadmap on electricity in the entire River State. The focus is to have 24 hours light, 7 days a week, and every day of the year. That's what we are doing. His Excellency has approved it. So we are bringing it to the Executive Council any moment from now, based on his orders. You know, so Rivers people should know that there is more to come. Better days are ahead. This government means well for our people. This government have come to serve the people of Rivers State, not to serve one man. One man wants this governor to serve him alone. And the governor said, no, I want to serve the entire Rivers people. The Rivers people concern is our concern. The concern of Rivers people are my concern. And those are the things I will do, not to just serve one person. So that is what we are doing. From now to December, the power will continue to improve on monthly or daily basis. Then before December, you will see the level it will get to. Before His Excellency will do 2 years, we'll also see the level, the improvement we'll get to. But it's going to be continuous like that until we achieve the 24 hours power.
My sister commissioner for the quick response. He has made my job lighter because he understands what we are all pursuing. And for this quick response, I want to ask the Almighty God to bless the governor, because we have had governors. And if you see the infrastructural decay here, you will agree with me that the voice of Rivers State was drowned. Radio Rivers is the voice of Rivers State. And amongst the committee of radio houses, I'm sure that none of them could have been able to pride themselves when Radio Rivers was Radio Rivers. Whilst we were traveling in our early days to Lagos, up to Benin, we used to hear Radio Rivers. It's so shameful that Radio Rivers cannot even be heard on Eastern Bypass. It tells you the level of decay. So with a reviving governor whose interest is to bring back the forgotten glories of the state, this step is well appreciated. I want to believe that many more that will come will be to the glory of the Almighty God that we serve. And to thank you people for responding. There were people who would have gotten the approval, gotten the money, and would not even do anything. There were people who got monies for projects like this in the past. The money never served the purpose, and the people suffered, and they watched them pine away. So I want to thank the ministry for being honest. When I raised the memo, well, I had belief that if nothing, the governor will approve. And when he told me the thing is receiving attention, I should see my brother commissioner in Ministry of Power, I'm happy that that cry has turned to joy. Radio Rivers, I have told them, we will not use any product that is not original. I don't want fire. The one that we are managing, I know how it ended. And Minister of Power that is said that I brought a brand new generator. It means that if we mismanage it, we will bear the consequence. I've told them we must use high quality product. If it is diesel, let's use diesel and ensure that it is not fire. Fire is cheaper, but the long run effect is very devastating. So I can assure you that we'll manage it well. We can only call you once in a while to appreciate you, to say what you gave to us is a good product. Not to say, please come, we mistakenly used this one. There's no mistake, and I've promised them that they will go. I will sack the person and I will tell the governor, this is the reason. Thank you so very much, and God bless all of you.
Thank you, sir.